Rob, thank you. After years of back and forth between Planned Parenthood South Atlantic and South Carolina, the state's highest court has made it official. Abortions after 6 weeks of pregnancy are illegal in South Carolina. South Carolina State House reporter Caroline Yaffa has the latest.
The state's decision came after a long legal battle over the state's fetal heartbeat law. But it is now set in stone that in South Carolina, you are not allowed to get an abortion after 6 weeks of pregnancy. The South Carolina Supreme Court has now sided with the state's interpretation of when a fetal heartbeat begins, marking it at 6 weeks. It was challenged by Planned Parenthood. They argued it's around 9 weeks. Governor Henry McMaster says the court's ruling has defended the right to life, and time again, we have prevailed. His office sent me this statement that reads in part, "Today's ruling is another clear and decisive victory that will ensure the lives of countless unborn children remain protected, and that South Carolina continues to lead the charge in defending the sanctity of life." Paige Johnson is the president and CEO of Planned Parenthood South Atlantic. She said lawmakers are harming families and destroying the healthcare system. She sent me this statement that reads in part, "Justice did not prevail today, and the people of South Carolina are paying the price. Planned Parenthood South Atlantic will continue to do everything in our power to ensure patients receive the care they need and fight for their ability to control their own bodies, lives, and futures." Jace Woodrum from the American Civil Liberties Union sent me this statement that reads in part, "Many people do not find out they're pregnant until after the 6-week cutoff, and the list of exceptions is so narrow that doctors are struggling to provide life-saving reproductive care for fear of criminal prosecution." There is still a bill in the State House that would ban abortion completely, except for emergencies. In Columbia, I'm Caroline Yaffa.